Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our 17th tutorial on the Kotlin programming series. Okay, so this is very interesting and very important topic, that is infix function and operator overloading in Kotlin. This episode covers two powerful Kotlin features that makes your code more expressive and readable and natural. Okay, so infix function and operator overloading, these are the 2 points. So first part we will see here, infix function. So what are the infix function? So infix basically is a keyword. Okay, functions, this is a normal function. As you can see, infix function allow you to call a function without using the dot and a parenthesis operator. Okay, they make your code looks more like natural language. Okay, so for example, infix function integer dot add x and it will be written integer, so x. Okay, this plus x where it will be written, so this point to the current object. Okay, and x plus x means what, the whatever the passing the parameter to that particular add function, and it will be that. Okay, so what is the uses of this function, like while result equal to 5 add 3, it will be written 8. Okay, so instead of that you can directly use a 5 dot add and directly 3, whatever you want to add, 5 dot add and whatever the value as 3. Okay, so rule for infix function, to use the infix a function, so very important, be a member function, okay, or an extension function, and have only one parameter. Okay, parameter must not a default value. Okay, it must be marked with the infix keyword. Okay, so infix with custom class. So let's give an example here. Class person name string infix function person dot likes author person. Okay, so what we will do here, we will print the name and the other name, current name and other name. Okay, so value p1 and p2 with the John and allies. p1 likes p2. Okay, so that will be print John likes allies. Okay, so let's do see real world use case. So domain specific language, Kotlin uses a infix function in builder and testing frameworks. Okay, so next is operator overloading. What is the operator overloading? Operator overloading allows us to define how operators behave for your custom objects. For example, what should plus do for your class? Okay, these are the two statements. What should do for your class? This is an example. Basic example, a data class point x and y. Okay, these are the two passing parameters. Operator function point plus, and it will be written a point, that is our data class. Data class means what? It's a storage, like an x and value we are storing in a data class. We will see in the upcoming sessions in detailed way what is a data class and shield classes and all. Okay, so now focus on this, and just these are the p1 and p2, the two pointing data class objects, that is a 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Okay, and result will be p1 plus p2, that will be a result, like a 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. What happened, it will be addition of 2 plus 4 and 3 plus 5, that will be 6 comma 8. So common operators like a plus, minus, times, division, remainder, equals, compared to, get and set. These are the contains and invoke. These are the sum of common operator functions. Okay, so you can see here example of the get operator. So class box private value atoms list of string operator function and get index integer. So return index of atoms in bracket index. So you can see here an example box equal to box a list of a comma b comma c. Whenever you want to access the list of atom by using the index, okay, so print ln b box of 1, it should be print b. Okay, compare to is it's an also a build function. So data class student val number, okay, marks, it should be a number or it integer. Operator function compare to, and other is student is an class, okay, data class, it will be written in integer format. Okay, so this dot marks minus other dot marks, whatever the current passing the marks minus other marks. For example, s1 and s2, these are the two students data class objects. s1 compared to s2, true, because 80 is always less than 90. Okay, it will be written true. So infix versus operator overloading, these are the some differentiate. So infix function improves the readability as compared to operator overloading. Customize operators, okay, syntax a function b and operator overloading a plus b. Keyword infix in operator overloading, operator is a keyword use. Okay, so important notes behind this, both are just like a syntactic sugar, right? For example, you can say they improve readability but don't change core logic. Okay, so overuses can make your code confused. Best practice is you can use infix for a readable expression, use operator overloading for logical operations only. Don't misuse operators for a unrelated behavior. Avoid mistake code clear. Okay, so this is all about the today's session. We can go throughout the final summary. Infix function is clear syntax, one parameter, improve readability, and operator overloading. The custom behavior for operators makes object behavior like primitives powerful but should be used carefully. Okay, so infix function, the taking in a natural language, okay, and operator overloading it teaching a symbols in the meaning. Okay, so these are the all about today's session. If you like this video, please click on the like and please subscribe the channel if you don't have subscribed it, and please share with your friends who want to learn Kotlin programming. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can comment me on this session. Okay, and this is Nikhil signing off. See you in the next video.